Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Let us start discuss about algae. Algae are chlorophyll bearing simple thalloid autotrophic and largely aquatic both freshwater and marine organisms. They occur in a variety of other habitats, moist stones, soils and wood. Some of them are also occur in association with fungi and animals on sloth bear. The form and size of algae is slightly variable, ranging from colonial, from like volvox, and the filamentous form like Ulotrix and Spirogyra. A few of marine forms such as clips form massive plant bodies. Let us discuss the reproduction in algae. The algae reproduced by vegetative is sexual and sexual methods. Vegetative reproduction is by fragmentation. Each fragment develops into a thallus. A sexual reproduction is by production of different types of pores. The most common being is zoospores. They are flagellated, motile, and are on germination gives rise to new plant. Sexual reproduction takes place through fusion of two gametes. These gametes can be flagellated and similar in size as in Ulotrix. Non-flagellated, non-motile, but similar in size as in Spirogyra. Such reproduction is called isogamous. Fusion of two gametes dissimilar in size as in species of Eudorinia is termed as anisogamous. Fusion between one algae non-motile female gamete and a small motile male gamete is termed as usogamous. Example volvox. Algae are useful to in a variety of ways. At least a half of the total carbon dioxide fixation on the earth is carried out by algae throughout photosynthesis. Being photosynthetic, they increase the level of dissolved oxygen in their immediate environment. They also of paramount importance as primary producers of energy rich compounds which form the basic of the food cycles of all aquatic animals. Many species of Porphyra, Laminaria, Sargassum are all among the 70 species of marine algae used as food. Certain marine brown and red algae produce large amount of hydrocolloids, means water holding substance. Example, brown algae and red algae which are used commercially. Agar one of the commercial product obtained from Gelidium and Gracilaria are used to grow microbes and in preparations of ice cream and jellies. Chlorella, a unicellular algae rich in proteins, is used as food supplement even by space travels. Algae are divided into three main categories, that is Chlorophyceae, Physiophyceae and Rhodophyceae. Chlorophyceae. The members of Chlorophyceae are commonly called green algae. The plant body may be unicellular, colonyal and filamentous. They are usually grass green due to the dominance of the pigment chlorophyll A and B. The pigments are localized in definite chloroplast. The chloroplast may be discoid, plate-like, reticulate, cup-shaped, spiral or ribbon-shaped in different species. Most of the members have one or more storage bodies called perinoids located in the chloroplast. Perinoids contain protein besides starch. Some algae may store food in the form of oil droplets. Green algae usually have a rigid cell wall made of an inner layer of cellulose and an outer layer of pectose. Vegetative reproduction usually takes place by fragmentation or by formation of different types of spores. Asexual reproduction is by flagellated zoospores produced in zoosporangia. The sexual reproduction shows considerable variation in the type and formation of sex cells, and it may be isogamous, anisogamous, oogamous. So commonly found green algae are Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Ulotrix, Spirogyra and Chara. Now let us discuss about Physiophyceae. The members of Physiophyceae are brown algae and are found primarily in marine habitat. They show great variation in size and form. They arrange from simple branched filamentous from Ectocarpus to profusely branched forms as represented by clepes, which may reach a height of 100 meters. They possess chlorophyll A and C, carotenoids and xanthophylls. They vary in color from olive green to various shades of brown depending upon the amount of the xanthophyll pigment. The food is stored as complex carbohydrates, which may be in the form of laminarian and mannitol. The vegetative cells have a cellulosic walls usually covered on the outside of the gelatinous coating of algin. The protoplast contains, in addition to plastids, a centrally located vacuole and nucleus. The plant body is usually attached to the substratum by a holdfast and has a stalk, which type and leaf-like photosynthetic organ, the frond. A vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation. Asexual reproduction in most brown algae is by biflagellated zoospores that are pear-shaped and have two unequal laterally attached flagella. Sexual reproduction by isogamous, anisogamous or eugamous. Union of gametes may take place in water or within the oozonium or oozospice. The gametes are periform, pear-shaped and bear two laterally attached flagella. The common forms are Ectocarpus, Dictyota, Laminaria, Fucus, etc. Now let us discuss about Rhodophyceae. The member of Rhodophyceae are commonly called red algae because the predominance of the red pigment are phycocyrrhine in their body. Majority of the red color are marine with a greater concentrations found in the warmer areas. They occur in both well-lighted regions close to the surface of water and also the great depth in oceans where relatively little light penetrates. The red thalli of most of the red algae are multicellular. Some of them have a complex body organization. The food is stored as floridarian starch, which is very similar to amylopectin and glycogen in structure. The red algae usually reproduce vegetatively by fragmentation. They reproduce asexually by non-motile spores and sexually by motile gametes. Asexual reproduction is eugamous and accompanied by complex post-fertilization developments. The common members are Polysiphonia, Polyphyra, etc. Thank you.